Hi, Professor. Myself, Chandrasekhar. I'm doing my code walkthrough in this video. Um, this is the code that I have developed for this project. This is the backend server where we can see like log base home HTML page, on the login page, on the create event page, on like notification page, search, where you can see all the things over here. For example, this is the code for the home view project where the user is authenticated and the user is the organizer and the user is invited, and where the event is public, and where you can see the this helps like upcoming to see the upcoming events like. And this is a register, this is the code for the register page like register HTML, um, where you can this is that code helps to develop this page where the register page. So where you can enter the username and the password one, password two means like where you enter the password and you have to confirm the password. So you have to match the both passwords, then only it will allow the user to log in or register. And if you enter the password error, it won't, or doesn't match, it won't help you to log in. And this is the code for the login, where this is the code for the login, where you can this is the login interface here where you can enter the username and the password, and it can just it will directly reflect to the login HTML like user login HTML user interface. For example, just using uh, it helps to log in you into the app, and where in the home page you can see the logout in the home page itself. This is the code for the logout, and this is the main important for this project like creating an event. This is the code for the event. This is the main thing for this project, where here you can in the create event where you can see like type, title, description, date, time, location, and the tags. And even though you can see over here like event tags, the tags that we are giving to the event. See, this is like if you go create an event, if you click on the create an event, there you can see all those things. So type, title, description, date, time, and tags. This is where you can schedule this is where you can schedule this is what where you can schedule the event schedule event HTML. This is the code for the event scheduling the events. If you go to the dashboard, this is the schedules. This is the code that I have developed for the scheduling events. And there you can see description and the speaker info and who is organizing the event, speaker name. You can see all those things. So, and this is the invite user. the code that I have developed for inviting the user, where you can type the username and you can just directly invite the user to the event. And the user has been invited to the event, and it will directly show on the interface, I mean home login interface itself. This is where people can respond like RSVP. They can easily respond, I mean, whether they are coming or not. This is the code that I have developed, and this is the code that I have developed for notifications. And this is the code that I have developed for the past events, where you can search the past events, only show events where user is organizer or invited or public, where you can see the public events only. You can't see the private events over here in the past events, until unless you are the user of that event. This is what I had uploaded for the tags, where you can give the tags like tag 1, tag 2, or any other name. This is the base the code that I have developed for the tags. And the search, the code I have developed for the, this is the code for the search view. And if you click on the profile, if you click on the profile, you can see the first name, last name, and the email. This is the code that I have developed for the first name, last name, and the email. This works on the backend. This is the base HTML of the project. The base HTML means like the design of the design of the background on the event. If you go to the home page HTML, there you can see the this is the home page. This is the code for the home page HTML. This is the home page of the HTML code. HTML. And here I had developed like a login HTML code. Just now, like we just log in by using the username and the password. This helps you to log in. And this is the past event, where you can search the past events in the interface. Like easily you can search the past, where you can see all the past events on the screen. And the register HTML, in this register HTML, where you can where the username and the password, and you have to enter the password again. When it matches, it will log in to you to the home page of the project, where you can see the options like creating event, like that. This is the invite user, where we can invite the user by entering their username. And here I have used the database, post create database. This is how, like, where we can, this is the code for the where we can create an event. Like in this you can see title, like whether it is private, public, and the title and the description, where you can see the date, time. This is what I have developed in the creating event. This is the main, like the backbone for this project, like easily we can say like the backbone. This is the main thing of the project. And where you can see the event details on the home page. This is what I have developed. If it is public, if it is a type, if the event is public, you can see the events on the dashboard itself. like you can see that date, time, and like when the event is going on. You can add the schedules over here. You can just adding schedules. This is what I have developed, professor, for if you enter the, here I'm running the code, professor. Here, like you can see the 127. If you just copy this one, you paste over. If you copy this one and paste over here, you can just it will directly show the interface of the event. This is like the structure of the how the interface looks like. This is what I have developed right until now, professor. Thank you, professor.